This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a server. Pick a VPS with a public IP and at least 2 GB RAM. Install Openvpn and EasyRSA, then update packages so dependencies match. Once done, enable IP forwarding in Systel and open UDP port 1194 in the firewall. Make sure the rule is persistent. You also create a dedicated user for administration. This gets your system ready. Next, you generate keys and configure the server so clients can authenticate securely. You now generate the CA, server certificate, and a TLS auth key using EasyRSA. This protects against MIRM and UDP floods. Then write server. Conf, use dev.ton assign 10, 8, 0, 0/24 for VPN clients, push DNS and routes, and configure keepalive to detect dead peers. Once configured, implement NAT with iptables TNAT post routing S10. 8, 0, 0/24 OETH0 J masquerade, and save rules so traffic from client. You finish by creating client certificates and assembling the Openvpn file including remote server IP, port, TLS auth key, and client certs so clients can connect securely. Then connect a client and verify it receives a 10, 8, 0 X address and that its traffic is routed through the server to the internet. If something goes wrong, check OpenVPN logs on server and client, confirm firewall/iptables rules and IP forwarding, and ensure the TLS auth key and certificate names match exactly to avoid handshake failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.